Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon. But actually it seems to be just from one manufacturer because we keep pulling different brands up and then I look on the back and it's the same manufacturer. More about that in a second. Let's get to the test, shall we? Because that's what we're here for, right? Dude, literally the same mask, This is hilarious. All right, let's put it in and we'll talk about it. On my buttons. So this is a PFE machine, particulate filtration efficiency test. This does the N95 and the KN95 test, so I can tell you if it's going to meet standards, but I already know that these guys are not meeting the standards. Why? Yes, because it doesn't have the appropriate information on here. It says KN95. It tells you the standard that it's using, which is GB2626. But it does not tell you the manufacturer name. Why? Well, I have a theory. Probably because they're trying to sell this under many names. Does that look like slightly familiar? So this is it's like all of their names are made from a random name generator. This is the Miuphro, you can't really pronounce it. And then this one is the Hodo Deal mask. Look at two different packages, right? The exact same masks, And it's crazy because I just happened to test these accidentally back to back. And if you look here, like it looks almost exactly the same on the back. Slightly different, it's like one's bolder, right? There's something weird going on with this factory. This is made by Chengde Technology Co. I've tested they go under like 5 or 6 different brands. I really think about half of the KN95s are on Amazon are from this one brand, Chengde Manufacturing Co. Very weird, very weird. It's the same mask. You know, it's like a pretty good construction. You know, if you really are gonna rail on the, it'll break, but like pretty good for the most part. Always smells the same though, so they can't hide their smell. It's like a super thick plasticky smell with something that is totally amiss. It's like, it's like your mom who doesn't like to throw away the plastic garbage bags or plastic bags from the grocery store, and so under the sink there's just 100 of those reusable bags that you'll never use. You're not going to use for anything, but you take it out and one of those bags had like rotten spinach in it, so the whole thing smells. That's what this is. Something weird's going on there. And I'll tell you what about Chengde. We've tested probably 10 masks from them at least. Half of them totally fail, and the other half do really well. And if I look right now, I glanced, I cheated. I looked before you did. This one did pretty well, 99.323. The breathability was 188.66 pascals. That's on the high side. They tend to be on the high side, a little thicker than normal. Anything over 150 pascals is going to be hard to breathe in for more than a couple hours. Weird company. They just went ham, and then they just stood up all these brands on Amazon. But it seems to be working because they all have a lot of ratings and they're moving a lot of masks. So wouldn't be the brand I would choose. I would choose a different brand, but maybe you feel differently. All right, if this has been helpful, thank you guys so much for watching. I would love like and subscribe, or for you to send me some masks, or to do a handwritten note, or maybe write me a song, send me flowers, anything you can do to show your appreciation for for this. You ever feel that a closing of a video is not going the way you want? That's what's happening right now. I'll just catch you on the next test, okay?